سمونا بخير نفاخر فيه فأرض المصلى كاستنا ضياء مصلى صرح باهي جميل ووصف يفوق بقلبي مدى.
I want to tell you something because every time you guys sit in some scholars lecture, you guys know everything about Islam. You're not a child, so that I have to tell you everything, keep telling you. Because since our childhood, our parents, they keep telling us who is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what is our deen, this is namaz, this is salat, this is Quran, this is the song. In Ramadan, we have to do everything. But why we don't do? Why we don't do? Right now, our iman is on this level. You know, we go outside of the mosque, the iman, it goes down. Why it happens actually? It happens because of just your environment. And you have to make your environment. Because maybe in your social network club, in your friends club, not everybody is very good. Sometimes they are smoking, they don't come to the mosque, and you are the only one in that club who is coming for a salat. That is the environment. If you keep sitting in that environment, in those bad people, definitely it will affect on you. Maybe after 2 months, you will also stop coming to Masjid. So what you have to do, on this stage, you are young, you are youth, you are at the university level. You have to keep force your friends. Like they force you to go to the Rawang for the movie. So same like that, force them to come to the namaz, at least for 5 times. I mean, how much time will it take? In the masjid, how much it took already? 5 minutes, maybe maximum 10 minutes. That's all. And after that, you have 24 hours to do whatever you want. Nobody is going to force you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not come here and will force you. He will pick from your ear, come to the masjid. No. Nobody is going to do like that. Now your parents, maybe you were small, your parents, they maybe force you strictly, hey, Ade, go to the masjid, come for namaz. Our parents force us, but now they won't. We are now young. We have to do everything for ourselves. You are very much, you take so much tension and you are so much worried about your future that what you're gonna do after you graduate from the university. Are you? You are worried, right? You will get a job. You are worried about how much salary I will get, whether I will get the job or not after my graduation. You are worried about that. Because why? Because in the future you will get married, you will have children. If you don't have the salary, if you don't have enough salary or money, have the bank balance, how are you going to survive? How you will marry, how you will spend all the expenditures, how you will survive. What about your children? They want their money, they want to go to school. Because of that you are worried. We don't come to the namaz, we don't offer salat because we are not worried about that. What's gonna happen with us? I see with my eyes those people after they die. Seriously, after they die, we can see that kind of thing on their faces. You can distinguish between 2 people. If the pious person who is very good relation with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the other person who don't have a good relation with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The one who has a good relation with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he is a beautiful guy. You have the love in your heart for that person. If the other person is not good, he is doing everything bad, he is drinking alcohol, zina, whatever, you won't love that guy. Maybe you will respect him because he has some status in the world, he is a very rich guy who you will respect him for that only. But inside of your heart, you're not going to love him. Isn't it? If the scholar will come into the big mosque, Jami Masjid, definitely we will go and we will shake hand with him. Why? He's so much rich guy? No. Because he is very close to Islam, he is a very good person. He's a very pious person. That is the only reason we are going to respect him. So, today is my title, leave it. Today actually we have the poster on each and every faculty outside if you see. Youth Reformation program. Every week we have some new title for the youth. I'm not going to talk about Islam every time. I will talk about the general things. And you have guys, seriously, you guys have to take out only 10 minutes of your whole week. Wednesday after Isha prayer, come to the Masjid, listen. I don't want you to listen to me. Don't focus who am I. Just listen what I'm saying. Try to make yourself good day by day. So after you graduate, the other people who are outside of the university will look at you and they will say, now yes, he is a perfect guy. He is a perfect Muslim. You want to be like that or not? Or you just want to be like other people who are outside the world? Like the same, everybody is the same, right? Make yourself unique.